Hi everyone, welcome to today's iPhone app review. We're taking a look at Pochi In Space. Pochi? I'm going to go with Pochi. Could be Pokey as well, I suppose. Anyhow, in this game, you are playing the Big P, and you need to go through space by avoiding obstacles, and you do that by tilting the phone left and right. As you go further and further through space, you'll have an opportunity to power up. Down at the bottom, you can see the level for your shields, and every once in a while, you have enough power to power your shields to avoid hitting something. However, you can then power that up by going on these strips you'll see on the screen. So far, so good. The only thing about this game, two things. One, it goes for the same kind of one hit and you're done feel as something like Cannonball. So if you run into anything, the game's over and you have to start over. Now, the exception to that is if you're in the little ship you can get in later on, the first time you hit something, you fall out of the ship. The second thing is you'll see these UFOs from time to time on the screen, and sometimes they go nearly invisible. And you have to be careful because, unfortunately, just because they're nearly invisible doesn't mean that they're only nearly deadly, as hitting them when they're invisible will also bring an end to your journey through space. It's not a bad game. There's also a racing component to it, option, and basically you're just trying to get to Earth as fast as possible, and if you stick to the sides, that's usually the fastest way to do it without hitting any obstacles. So overall, I think it would be a better game if it had the same kind of 3 lives that you're used to in several other games, rather than being done as soon as you run into one thing in space. That's a look at Pochi In Space for the iPhone and iPod Touch. For thedigitallifestyle.tv, I'm Ryan Ritchie.